So in this video, I will show you step by step how you can fix login available right now on WhatsApp. Now, if you are getting sort of this error message when you are trying to log into your WhatsApp, right, there is many different reasons why this can be happening. Now, it might be that the WhatsApp servers are down and there is just, the app is currently down at the moment. What it also could mean is that you have been banned or you've been removed from WhatsApp for whatever reason, if you've broken any terms and conditions, if you've broken, sort of any rules that WhatsApp do set out when you're using the app. That could be one reason why this is not working as well. And also it could mean that you are in a different country to where your WhatsApp account was created. So for example, if you are on holiday or many different reasons like this, right? So you need to just go ahead and figure out if there is any reasons why it could not be working. If that fails, what we can do is we can also go down to where it says contact us and click on this. And once we click on that, you will then be able to contact WhatsApp support, which may be able to help you with the problem that you are having and sort of give you an explanation on why you are getting this error message right now. So what we can do as well if this doesn't work is if we go over to our app store here and then we search for WhatsApp. If we click on here, what you want to do is you want to make sure that this is on the latest update. Now this is not a guarantee and it might not work, but if it's on the latest update, that might then fix any problems that obviously WhatsApp are having at the current moment in time. So go ahead and make sure it is fully update. If that doesn't work, you can go ahead and contact WhatsApp, and what they will then be able to do is help you and assist you if you are having any problems with your account or anything like that. So it's just that simple. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.